Want to build a simple but powerful dashboard to manage your online orders? Let's do it with COUNTIFs and FILTER. Here I've got a small table of custom t-shirt orders. Each one has a customer name, order address, t-shirt size, whether it's been sent, and a shipping address. First, let's delete this so that you can follow along from the start, and use the unique function to pull the t-shirt sizes. Next, let's use COUNTIF to see how many mediums, larges, or small we have. The first criteria will be the t-shirt size column. And the criteria will be the size in G2. We can use the spill functionality to absorb other downsells. The second criteria will be sent column, and use yes for this one. In the same manner, let's do the other setting. Now, we have the summary of counts based on the criteria. Next, let's use the filter function to find any orders missing a shipping address, so we don't accidentally skip a delivery. To do that, just use enter the filter function. The range will be customer name, and we want to include the shipping address, and we want to filter the missing one. In the same manner, we can filter customers with missing sizes so we can fix them before packing. Put these quick checks together at the top of your sheet, and you've got a real-time mini dashboard, perfect for small business owners or anyone managing custom orders in Excel. Want more practical, real-life Excel tips like this? Subscribe and check out the full playlist, and keep your data clean and organized. This is part 31 of the 500 tutorials lined up in the channel. Thanks for watching.